In the direction for the 6Sounds project, it says that you may change the sound. You can't add any new sounds. But for instance, if I play this little bit of an audio clip, there's a huge difference between the sound of my voice and the sound of the effect. So a tool that we have is this envelope tool right here. And when you click on the envelope tool, it's going to put blue bars at the top and bottom of everything. And you can click on one of the sound clips. It's going to put a little dot, and you can make that sound louder or quieter. So now when it plays back, and I'm going to go back to the selecting tool. It's perhaps a little bit better sound. I'm going to undo what I just did. One of the other things that you can do is you can use the selector tool to select something and put some effects on that sound. So for instance, I can take this car horn and choose the effect of wah wah and apply it and close it. And now when I play the sound back, it just gives a little bit different sound. I wouldn't have every student make these many changes, but if somebody's done early and they want to play around a little bit more, or you have extra time for the project, then you might want to consider them using some of those effect tools. And once you're done, File Save Project just replaces the old Audacity version of it, and file Export Audio as an MP3 file to whatever name you've chosen in whichever folder you choose. I'm just putting it on the desktop. You can save it. Your tracks will all be mixed down, which means that it's going to compress it into one audio file. You can give it artist names and group names and track titles. That's just the metadata for the file. And click OK, and it's going to export that out. To see what it looks like, I'm going to open it and go find that MP3 file. And what it said was it was going to mix it down into one sound file, which it did. Here's the talking. It mixed the end of my talking and the crow sound into one track, and then it has that wah wah car horn sound. And this would be for if we had a right and a left headphone stereo. They're identical here, but we could have different tracks. And once that's done, you're ready to load it up to the wiki.